Papa anamio. Urianiere otoke. Abangznere otoke. Ifo min tararengo otoke.
Abang mi.
Gang abasibo. Maiyoro. Okmani bode yene demeyo.
Abang mi.
Meri kebe.
Abang Mary.
Zamba ka fo menerio.
Me menero ngami mini again di pemendi.
Agbarawa. Amema god fima. Meri ke ebeko.
He say you are welcome to the Buddha's kingdom.
Oh, min kiko kika.
Don't adim na.
Mbiaro danga wa. Danga yoko.
Greet the bang.
I greet you, sir. I greet you, Abang.
Ntoke yara.
Abo kimi come fear bang.
No, I am mentira here.
They say waiting carry you come to the Buddha's kingdom.
Abang, I have a problem. I don't know if you can help me solve it.
Okay, yara.
Abo kimi ni empna bot kimi idi anga me for ya kana suffer no imo.
It is soft.
Me for ya kana na ma me no imo.
Oh, ni na mpna si eme. I am pna si osong mi rientre.
Yang ako.
Oba yeme tiri mpna si. Kodo mindi abasi ana ikpo mkpo. Mama userero ami nkanam de akpa iso odo owu ndino wobo. Why woyo?
He said, what's your problem? Because he said God that do big things back in the days where he make ants by person sound woyo.
Okoni bere de amin ki bang woyo. Ntiri woyo.
Abang me English fashion ama dodo.
Adire
Woyo.
Ndien ki ka fak.
Why woyo?
Abasi. Ntiri mpna.
What's the problem?
Abang, I don't play coupon, I don't tie. You can't be like saying a coupon they play me. I want week coupon. Christmas don't be near. I will need big money.
It's okay, Haraka Kino.
Abaki mi ibre coupon to tobante coupon no bidi wong ibre mo.
Ntompa iri coupon.
Ngba mesi make X ke bugbo.
Ntiri X.
Ngba bante multiplication sign.
Ntiri multiplication.
Tatente bang.
Oh, bang. Ngba si wede bang ke bugbo. Oh, anye si brensa.
Asi bre.
Uba yise me ye si bayira nsa.
They collect madman number.
Yes, I dey collect. You know the play. Anyara kadiri.
Ateki mi sibo.
Uba ye me ya ma bayira nsa me si na ira rako.
You dey pay money before you collect the game.
Yes, I dey pay.
Anyara ki mi sibo. Ishi kerio. Yonga marong mowe men takafong. Esna kidem. Emen ngwede kamesa ngagosong etirirat. Irarak bena mi yor yongo kok. Eria ntamke. Oh ye me ye kemara. Obo. Nsa mi yo.
They say whether you go fit stand for the game.
I go stand. Anyara kadiri.
Yeah.
Ara wiba. O kwani wede yene de menyo.
Abo.
Ma ke men pepa. Bongo ye. Ye ke mi mong mi an ikbare meyo. Ami mami an ikbare meyo. Nsa me di wala de ye kinwa. Ye me na kabra.
He say when he flock you the underworld flock, the number will go come out for your mouth. You go play am.
No ya won are
Turn
da.
around.
Ere mi mami an ikbare meyo. Anya ma wongbo. Nsa ya biara.
And when you shout, when they flock you underworld flock, the game don't spoil.
Ma kwat. Ye.
Box out.
Ntiri boxa.
Bonu one and one.
Yana yana mi den tem.
And I'm sacking.
Ntiri sakin.
Asa hawo ke bekbo.
Ari sak mi ke be.
Aba si.
Ayari ya kana ya min ko mong sakfi. Sana de ro saka wi ma. 32.
32.
Ntiri 32.
3 ye 2.
3 ye 2.
Itai ba.
Oh, itahi ba ri.
Ah.
Think say they wise.
Abang bodo ka biara.
Oh, the game don't spoil.
Yak tong ka pa.
Start from the beginning.
45.
45.
Ntiri 45.
4 ye 5.
4 ye 5. Ki ko fa.
Inang ition.
Inang ition. Ado wala da ba ition.
Just for the second game.
Biara do kan ya wong arera.
Done.
I know they do again. Aya do wari dia.
Abo ki bay nan man.
What?
Oyo. Abang sini what?
Adi uyo ede menyang. Uyo ede menyang.
Emmanuel, are you telling me
Do kan ya wong are.
Done now.
I know they do again. What? Ntiri what?
Abang uyo for the kentengaro.
Adirat. Apa sanga kopi uyo mi.
Abang sini copy.
Ko wong ake be kpo mi. Ami ko fo yom ni da mbamba. E wonga yonga. E yonga ke be for me.
Come, let's go. Can you bring this English? Come.
Apa ma foko yo bo ko temana. Hirgan tra ya takaro ko bono kupon. Uri yonga ke kupon irga pro win and they win.
Boyo, abang si yung idi kupon am.
Yeah, thank you for watching Love Nation Entertainment. Thank you for watching Love Nation Entertainment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you next week Saturday. Before Agam is always drop on every Saturday, but we can post any of our video at any given time. So subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload any of our video. Please share our video. Please subscribe, share, and drop your comments for event booking. Any kind of event, call the number on the screen. WhatsApp us. We could come. Eh? Abang young baby go. Ayi yo do. Bye bye. Bye bye. I see you.